Oh, when signing, do you always need to use facial expression? Yes. Yes, always. Very much so. Actually, there are called 5 parameters of signs. So there are the location of signs, so where it happens in your signing space. So for example, mom and dad, those are in different locations, same hand shape, different location. There are different movements, different palm orientation. Is your palm up? Is it down? Is it forward? Is it backward? All those different intricacies change the meaning of the sign. And one of the 5 parameters is called non-manual markers, which is your facial expressions. So if you wanted to describe something that's really big, you would make a facial expression that says cha. And I know that looks silly, cha, but that says it's very big. Cha. Or if you wanted to say something that happened really recently, you would say really recently. And those are the facial expressions that you use when you're signing those particular concepts. So yes, you always use facial expressions when you're signing.